go to churches all the time. I visit churches, all this kind of stuff. You know how few times I actually see an altar call anymore? I'm like, have y'all forgotten about the gospel? Have you forgotten about why people go to church? We are entertaining people in the pews of our church, and that is not what church is for. So it's no wonder that there is so much confusion in the church, and that's why people are so desperate for the truth.
That's right.
And nothing that you have done ever in your life can separate you from God's grace. And so I'm actually going to step off stage here, and I'm going to stand right over there in that corner. And my friend Amanda, she's a pastor's wife, so she's forced to pray if I ask her to pray. That's part of the job. But Amanda and I, we're gonna stand over here. And if you are someone who is struggling with the sin of abortion, if you are burdened by that, you may be a man who drove someone to have an abortion. You may be a friend who drove someone to have an abortion. You may have sat in that waiting room. You yourself may have had an abortion. Maybe you took your daughter to have an abortion. Whatever it is, I want you to know the Holy Spirit is here right now. And he wants to remove that burden from you. He does not want you to live with that sin in your soul anymore. He wants to remove it as far as the east is from the west. He wants to remove it from you. And we want to pray with you. We want to help you find freedom. We want to remove that bondage from your soul. We want to help you tonight. And so I'm going to step off stage, and Amanda and I are going to go stand right over here. And if that's you tonight, I'm asking you to please come and pray with us and let the Lord take those chains off your soul tonight.